So I'm not sure if you guys heard about it, but Instagram just released a brand new social media app and it's called Threads. You guys, it looks literally like Twitter. But hold on, before you guys run and sign up for the app, I have to let you guys know that if you delete your Threads account, you are going to delete your entire Instagram account. So please do. Oh, it's a deer. I just seen something running. I'm like, what is that? It's a deer. I thought it was a fox. Once you delete the Threads app, you're gonna delete your entire Instagram account. It has happened to a few people. That's why I feel like I needed to say this in the beginning of the video. So if you don't like the app, don't delete your account, just delete the app and just leave it. So as soon as you download this app and you go to create an account, it's going to ask you if you want to import your information from your bio and your profile picture from your Instagram account. That's exactly what I did. If you don't want to do that and you want to create a whole nother bio and use a whole different profile picture, then that's up to you. You can also do that. Another option you are given once you signed up for the new Threads app is to transfer your followers from Instagram to your Threads app. So if you want to follow everybody that you follow on Instagram, you can use that option. But if you don't and you want to follow new pages and you just want to use this app for exploring, then you can choose not to and you can just follow people as you find them. So I feel like everyone is using the transfer your followers because once you sign up for this app, you literally start gaining followers that you have from Instagram right away. It's because people are hitting that follow from Instagram, which is automatically going to cause them to follow your account, if that makes sense. So everybody's like, oh my God, I got 200 followers in like 2 minutes. It's because everybody is signing up using the follow my followers from Instagram. Which is literally the reason why everyone is going to absolutely love this app, because you don't have to work as hard to start from zero to build up your following because it's being transferred from your Instagram. So this is why I recommend you guys to sign up right away, because if you have a large following and you're signing up later, then you're gonna have to go in your account and hit confirm for all the people who are requesting to follow you from your Instagram account. And you don't want to do that. Literally, I had to do that today with my Jeep account. It has 240,000 followers. So I had to do that for at least 600 people and it's very annoying. So I would definitely recommend, if you have a large account, to sign up as soon as possible. Okay, so now let's talk about some features that the new Thread app has. So in the beginning of the video, I said that this app was literally just like Twitter, and that's because it is a text-based application. So it looks literally like Twitter. So you're able to do text posts. For the text posts, your text characters can be up to 500 characters. You're also able to do photo posts as well as videos. For the videos, you're allowed up to 5 minutes per video. And of course, the Threads app is going to give you guys the option to share your threads to your Instagram stories. And I know a lot of people had this question. If you are verified on Instagram, your verification check mark is going to be transferred over to your Threads app. So of course you have features like sharing someone else's posts, just like Twitter, and you also have the feature of quoting someone else's thread. So for now, that's it, you guys. We don't really know much about the app. I'm not gonna come on here and act like I'm some type of expert because I'm still experimenting with the app myself. I started doing quotes because I love quotes. That's why I post on my Facebook. I think that each platform should be different. I'm not really going for the whole copy and paste and repost content from this app to Threads. I would like to start off by offering people something new, which is going to be quotes and motivational, like informational type of content. I also think it would be a really cool idea if you were to use Threads as like a community for the following that you already have. You are able to put your profile on private. So I think that would be a really cool feature to have for those of you who already have a sort of community already built up. So you guys, let me know in the comments what you think about the new Threads app. Are you going to be using this app? And if you are going to be using it, what type of content do you plan on posting on your Threads app? Let me know. The comments is open for discussion. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Have a blessed day, you guys. Peace and much love. Bye, guys.